Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Tonight I am making a super easy weeknight dinner recipe using leftovers. We made chili over the weekend and you know what? It just always happens. My chili recipe is amazing. I'll link to it above, but we can never eat it all. And so I'm going to use it up tonight and make some chili tater tot casserole. We also have a huge, ginormous bag of tater tots to use up. So perfect way to use up things that we have on hand and to not let food go to waste. Basically, this casserole dish is just a couple of quick, simple, throw it all into the dish and put it into the oven. That easy. Let's go ahead and make a layer of tater tots on the bottom. This is also a dish that you can just kind of leave warm. It keeps warm for a long time. You can also have it kind of stay in your oven, just at a warm setting, and it will keep fresh. We're going to add our chili. Oh my gosh, you guys, this chili is amazing. It makes 2 bowls. I can't help it. I always have to make 2 bowls worth, huge bowls worth when I make chili. The recipe is that good. We usually share. My husband will take some to work and share it with some of his coworkers who I've known for a long time. So I like to feed the guys. And I'm gonna take the chili and we are just slathering it on top of the tater tots. Like so. I am going to add a little bit of seasoning. Anytime I'm using potatoes, especially if I'm doing like breakfast potatoes or tater tots, I like to do onion and herb seasoning. It just adds a little flavor to non-seasoned potatoes. So I'm just going to kind of add that to the top. We're going to throw on some shredded cheddar cheese. Great way to add protein to your potatoes. I'm not even using a whole bag of shredded cheddar. This is probably like a cup and a half maybe. And that is really all there is to it. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 375 degrees, bake it for 15-20 minutes. I wanna make sure the tater tots get nice and hot on the bottom. The cheese on top gets melted and bubbly. And that's all there is to it, to this awesome recipe. The chili cheese tater tot casserole is all done. This is such a simple and easy dinner to put together. Kids like it, and I hope your family enjoys it too.